In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Fresha business account with this comprehensive guide for 2025. So if you've been looking to simplify your digital space or need a fresh start with Fresha, continue tuning in. Let's dive right into the process, which is divided into manageable steps to ensure you can follow along without any confusion. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Fresha partner account page. This is the hub where all your business operations through Fresha are typically managed. Once you've arrived at the partner account dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the interface where you should see your profile logo. Go ahead and give that a click. It acts as a gateway to your profile settings and personal information. Next up, you're going to select My Profile. This is pretty straightforward as it will allow you to alter any personal settings or gain access to additional options regarding your account. Within this section, look for the Workspaces tab. This is where you'll be focusing much of your attention. Accessing your workspaces allows you to interact with and manage the different business accounts you have set up within Fresha. Once you're in the Workspaces section, find the specific business account that you wish to delete. You should see an option labeled Manage. Click this. You are now controlling the account settings for this particular workspace. Look for the option that says Delete Workspace. It's often highlighted or set apart from other functions to signify its importance. Clicking on Delete Workspace will prompt you to select a reason for deletion. It's important to be honest here, as your feedback may be helpful in improving services or addressing any unresolved issues you might have had. After selecting your reason, you'll be guided to continue. Acknowledge the various terms and conditions by ticking all necessary boxes. This ensures you understand the implications of permanently deleting your workspace. You'll then be asked to enter your email, the one associated with your Fresha account. This step serves as an additional layer of security, confirming your identity and intention to delete the account. Finally, with all requisites fulfilled, click Delete Workspace to complete the deletion process. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated and executed the deletion of your Fresha business account. Always ensure you've backed up any necessary data before proceeding with account deletions to prevent any loss of valuable information. Thanks for watching this guide. Hit that like button if you found it helpful and subscribe for more useful content.